Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Enable microphone and location permissions so voice and context work reliably. Once done, check you have Android 8, 0 or newer, and about 500 MB free for caches. Next, open the Assistant app and sign in with your Google account. This links preferences and voice model. Make sure to grant notification access so responses surface quickly. Now tap the mic to train recognition, or say the wake phrase to confirm audio is captured, and the assistant responds. Once logged in, customize how the assistant operates by creating routines. Morning, commute, and home arrival cover common flows. Go into voice and language settings to set sensitivity and preferred voice, because clearer input yields fewer errors. Then link smart devices and services such as calendar, music, and home controls so commands trigger actions. As you add each device, test a simple command. If a device fails, re-authenticate the service and retry to ensure tokens and permissions are valid. You finish by practicing real commands. Start with short phrases, then layer in follow-ups and context. For example, ask for weather, then say, "Remind me to leave if traffic is heavy," to combine features. If the assistant is quiet or mishearing, make sure microphone permissions and background data are allowed, then clear cache and test again. Finally, if problems persist, reinstall the app. That often resolves corrupted state, and only then collect logs to share with support for deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.